Here's how to replace the hard drive on your HP EliteBook. All you'll need to do this is the new hard drive. I picked this one off of Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below. First thing you need to do, turn over your laptop case and you'll locate the 6 screws. You're going to back them out. This is using a J1 screwdriver bit. I'll link the screwdriver down below. Now those are backed out. You can use a little plastic pry tool here and try to get up under the edge of it and peel it away. We'll set that aside. To replace the hard drive, you're going to take the screw here, holding your old one in, and back this out. Now, you can wiggle your old hard drive out and take your new one and insert it so the slot is facing the right way here. Now I'll take my screwdriver and put the screw right back in place. Now I'm all set to put the case back on. Now I'll take my case, turn it over, line it back up, snap it back down. Now I'll put my screws back in and I'm all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.